Well guys, just having a little mooch around this afternoon, see if we can clear a few rabbits up and what have you. Odd rat if we see it, you know. Only using the 22 CZ452, which is topped with the MV400, but yeah, it's quite a nice afternoon. Let's see how we get on, shall we? Well, I'm not seeing any more rabbits out for a bit, but had a couple of missed opportunities, bumped them, you know, but I'm hopeful we'll get one or two. It's a nice afternoon to be out. Like I say, just see whether we can clear one or two bits and bobs of vermin up from round these sheds. Maybe it should be fun. Well, that's 4 nice rabbits out the way. Right then guys, I'm all back home now. Cracking afternoon. I know I've only got 4 rabbits, but I could have blanked. Could have been a lot worse, but you know how it is. Yeah, this piece of kit here, this MV400 from One Leaf, absolutely fantastic. I just love using it with this 2.2. It's just so brilliant. I mean the rangefinder here, it saves a lot of messing around. I mean some of them rabbits today were like 80 and 90 yards away, and I just ranged them, and you know, it just adds the holdover for you. You just aim and bang on, and you're nobbling the rabbits. But I would have nobbled a lot more if they'd have been out. But you know, what we're going to have a go at is get out and do a bit more work after dark, and then I'll put another video on, and you can see what it's like shooting them after dark. But yeah, fantastic bit of kit. But yeah, really enjoyed it. I hope you've enjoyed the video as much as I did making it, and I'll see you in the next one, and we'll get some after dark rabbiting done. See you soon guys, bye for now.